Hey everyone, we've mastered the properties of exponential functions and today we're putting them to the test. Let's get started. Number 1, 3 to the power of x plus 2 times 9 to the power of x minus 1 over 27 to the power of x. First express everything with base 3, means 3 to the power of x plus 2 times 9 equals 3 squared to the power of x minus 1 over 27 equals 3 cubed to the power of x. Now simplify the exponents. We have 3 to the power of x plus 2 times 3 to the power of 2x minus 2. 3 to the power of 2x minus 2 over 3 to the power of 3x. 3 to the power of 3x, right? So we have, in the numerator, since the bases are the same, we can add the exponents. So we have 3 to the power of x plus 2x minus 2 is 3x over 3 to the power of 3x, so we have 1. Number 2, 4 to the power of 2x minus 1 equals 8 to the power of x plus 3, solve for x. And again, first express everything with base 2. So we have 4 is 2 squared to the power of 2x minus 1 equals 8 is 2 cubed to the power of x plus 3. So we have 2 to the power of 2 times 2x minus 1 is 2 to the power of 4x minus 2 equals 2 to the power of 3 times x plus 3 is 2 to the power of 3x plus 9. Since the bases are the same, we can equate the exponents. So 4x minus 2 equals 3x plus 9. So we have 4x minus 3x is x equals positive 2 plus 9 is 11. So x is 11. Number 3, solve the equation in quadratic form. E to the power of 2x minus 4 times e to the power of x plus 3 equals 0. Let u equals e to the x. So the equation becomes, if u equals e to the power of x, so u squared equals e to the power of 2x. So u squared minus 4u plus 3 equals 0. Now factor means u minus 3 times u minus 1 equals 0. So u equals 3 and u equals 1. Now replace back means e to the power of x equals 3. So x equals ln of 3 and e to the power of x equals 1. So x equals ln of 1 equals 0. So x equals ln of 3 and x equals 0. 5 to the power of negative x equals 1 over 125. Solve for x. As you know, 125 equals 5 cubed, right? So 5 to the power of negative x equals 1 over 5 cubed, or 5 to the power of negative 3, right? So 5 to the power of negative x equals 5 to the power of negative 3. So x equals negative 3. Solve for x. 4 to the power of x minus 2 to the power of x plus 1 minus 8 equals 0. First rewrite the equation. 4 is 2 squared to the power of x minus 2 to the power of x plus 1 minus 8 equals 0. So we have 2 to the power of 2x minus 2 to the power of 1 times 2 to the power of x minus 8 equals 0. So let u equals 2 to the power of x. So u squared equals 2 to the power of 2x, right? So we have u squared minus 2 times u, 2u minus 8 equals 0. Now factor means u minus 4 times u plus 2 equals 0. So u is 4 and u is negative 2. But u is 4 because u is 2 to the power of x and must be positive. So u is 4. So 2 to the power of x equals 4. So x equals 2.